Hi, my name is Dom, and I run a training company called TrainWell. And today we're going to be looking at programming from a non-programmer's point of view. Because here's the thing, programming can seem overwhelming if you've never coded before, if you've never run an IDE or anything like that. So I thought, let's just take it back to the basics, and let's start from there. So today we're going to talk about the variable. And I like to think of a variable as a name tag at a business networking event. You go there, they ask if you've registered, you say yes, and then you go sort of find your name tag. And sometimes your name isn't there, so they sort of give you an empty one where you fill in your name. And variables are like that. Variables are containers that hold information. And what information you put in there is up to you. So in the case of a business networking event, you put your name, your actual name. You don't put the word name because otherwise people would think your name is name, and that's just sort of weird and also confusing. So variables work the same way. Now, if you look at certain languages like Python or JavaScript, what is inside the container can change, and that's entirely okay. Other languages like Java or C++ are really particular about the type of container you choose at the beginning. So if you choose a container that holds numbers, it expects you to keep holding numbers. It doesn't matter if the number changes, but that you should hold numbers. In Python, it's a little bit more flexible. If you decide that you want your container to hold a number and then the next time to hold a bird, that's entirely fine. Other languages are not too happy with that. So that's how I like to think of variables. And variables are really important because without it, that's really error prone and really kind of tedious. So variables are really important to help us a lot. Later on in next videos, I'll show you how we use more of these in context. I really hope this has been really helpful for you. If it has, please just hit the subscribe button and the notification button so you get the next video. You get to know when the next video in the course is. And if you have any questions, just do drop me a line and I will do my best to answer them as soon as I can. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.